Hello everyone, welcome to Trap Shots and I am your host Nishant Krishna. As the title suggests, today is a general awareness video. I wanted to share my experience of updating my Aadhaar details. In my case, the phone number that was linked to Aadhaar had got deactivated and I had to update it to my new number. So most people suggested me to go to the nearby e-Seva Kendras to get this transaction done. Typically, if you had to go through the e-Seva Kendra channel, you will have to wait in queue for about 2 to 3 hours to get your tokens first. Once you get the token, you will have to wait further for your chance to get this updated. So ideally, you would lose close to half a day in getting this transaction done. And that is when I was searching for other options online and I found something called as ASKs or Aadhaar Seva Kendras. What I found was that it was launched in 2020 and many people weren't aware of this program. The UIDAI or Unique Identification Authority of India, which manages Aadhaar across the country, has brought this new program where you can book appointments online for any Aadhaar related transactions, just like how you do it for your passport. So these Aadhaar Seva Kendras have comfortable air conditioned rooms and you can avail any of the Aadhaar services in a very secure and a comfortable manner. So all these updates interested me and I wanted to experience this myself. I registered on the link to update my Aadhaar card details and let me show you a demo of it. So the first step that you will have to do is go to Google and key in these keywords Aadhaar Seva Kendra. Once you enter that, you will get a link on the official UIDAI website. On clicking this link, you will first find the list of the Aadhaar Seva Kendras available right now. So there are close to 40 to 42 Aadhaar Seva Kendras available in India. And it's mostly situated in the state capitals right now. So you can see whatever is applicable for you. So in my case, it is Chennai, Tamil Nadu, and the Aadhaar Seva Kendra is in 10 Square Mall in Chennai. And then I can proceed to the book appointment section. So once you go there, you will find the list of all Aadhaar Seva Kendras you had seen before. So in my case, I would choose Chennai 10 Square Mall. I proceed to book an appointment. There could be multiple scenarios here. It could be an Aadhaar update or a new Aadhaar enrollment. So in my case, it is Aadhaar update. It also shows the list of what all can be updated, like name, address, etc. So once you reach there, you will have to key in your mobile number, whatever is your active mobile number. And then you will have to enter the CAPTCHA code that is provided. This is for validation and verification. So it will generate an OTP immediately. So the OTP will be sent to your mobile number. You will have to key in the OTP to proceed further. So once the OTP is verified, it goes to the appointment details tab. So here you will have to enter what is your application verification type. For example, if you are bringing in the necessary documents, it would be document. So you will have to again select your Aadhaar Seva Kendra here, which in my opinion is actually redundant, but it's mandatory. So you will have to again select the state. So in my case, it is Tamil Nadu, and then the city to be Chennai, and then the Aadhaar Seva Kendra is the 10 Square Mall. I'll have to key in my Aadhaar number. So once you enter your Aadhaar number, you will have to key in your name, the way how it is in your Aadhaar card, and then you get into the personal details. Over here, anything other than biometric costs you 50 rupees on the whole. So if you want to update multiple details like email, address, date of birth, gender, etc., how much ever you update, it will cost you 50 rupees. And then if you want to update your biometric, it is an additional 50 rupees. So on the whole, it is 100 rupees. So the number of fields generates as per your selection. In my case, and for the demo purpose, I just wanted to update my email ID. So I just click on the email ID. So here I key in a sample email ID, nishanttravshots@gmail.com. So once you click next, it shows me all the appointments that are available at 10 Square Mall for the 30th of December. I can go and check how many slots are available for 31st, similarly for 1st. So I see that only one slot is booked and rest are all vacant. So it's very convenient for me. So what I do is that I go and select the slot which is most convenient for me. So if you see, the slots start from 9 o'clock in the morning to about 5:50 in the evening. I pick up the 11:10 to 11:30 slot. So it then asks us to verify it for the one final time. So this is basically a verification page where you can just verify if all the details are entered correctly, and then you can go ahead with the payment procedures. So once you finish the payment, you will immediately receive a confirmation on your phone that your payment has been successfully done. So once I finished the registration, I received a confirmation on my phone that my appointment was booked. So on the day of the appointment, I reached the center at about 10:45 a.m. My appointment was at 11 a.m. The moment I reached the center, I showed them my appointment slip, and I had to wait for just about 5-10 minutes, and my name was called. So initially there was a verifier. He verified all my documents and the updates that I had to make. So this took roughly about 5 to 10 minutes of my time. So once the verification was done, I had to move to the operator desk. They scanned my iris and fingerprint, and once that was validated, they went with the updation process. So once this was done, I verified all my details with them for the last time. Once I confirmed, they updated it online, and the whole process was done. So you can imagine all of this was done in about 25 to 30 minutes, done. So once this was done, in about 5 to 6 days, I received a confirmation saying that all my details were updated. I went and checked online. Yes, my details were all updated as well. So here are the charges that needs to be paid for every service. So on the whole, the process was very systematic, secure, and saved a lot of my time. I thought my experience was really helpful to you. Not many are aware of this service, so please do share this video with your friends and relatives. It might be very helpful for them. If you like my channel and still haven't subscribed, please do so, as I have a lot more interesting videos coming up. Till the next edition, signing off, Nishant.